Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Moom Organic Hair Removal Kit, Tea Tree, 6-ounce package. For one thing, it is very difficult to achieve a consistency that allows for an easy spread of the sugar. It cleans most of the area up while leaving you to pluck the smaller hairs. Let me tell you, do not warm it up. It works best in its original form, less painful than waxing, and a lot more effective than other methods of hair removal. So, here are a few possibilities why it didn't work for me. 1 Moom only works on some kinds of hair. First, for everyone complaining about the amount of product, please note that they also sell this in a 12 ounces. You definitely do have to go over most areas more than once, especially if your hairs grow in pretty random directions, and not in much of a pattern like mine. It's very specific to the direction of your growth, if that makes any sense, more so than regular wax. It looks great this time, with minimal redness, and almost no stray hairs, and feels clean and cool. This, along with the fact that it doesn't remove hair quite as well as hot wax does, made this product a big disappointment for me. This is a great product. Don't get discouraged if you don't immediately have success. It took me a bit to get the technique of waxing down. Not too much wax, don't press too hard. Baby or talcum powder is great, helps the wax stick more to the hairs than the skin. And make sure your hair is at least 14 and long before you wax, or you're wasting your time. It takes like 3 applications to get the hair to come off, and it doesn't do it thoroughly. It makes it especially hard to keep skin taut when you're getting stuck to it at every turn. You'll probably get the goo on things, but comes off anything very easily with warm water. So if you have fine hair, it might work for you, but if you have thick hair, forget about it. It removes hair very effectively, quickly, and most importantly painlessly. It feels like someone slapped you, but the pain disappears instantly. Don't overheat it though, or it might not stick to the hairs, or worse, burn your face. I've tried a few at-home waxing kits, but I've never had great experiences with them. A lot of pain, and a lot of sticky mess that's very difficult to clean up. Few tips: you want to make sure you are putting a small amount, and spreading it evenly. Cut the strips into smaller pieces if they are not grabbing enough hair, or if you find it to be too painful. I've already tried chemical lotions and epilators with the costs not being worth the benefits. Keeping it about halfway submerged in a bowl of hot water helps maintain proper temperature. As to be expected with more sensitive skin, there was some redness which faded after about 4 hours. Hairs that were too short were missed, but they were so short that they weren't visible anyway. Cons: very sticky, which has the potential to be messy, and not exactly the greatest on coarser hair. Verdict: fail. Does absolutely nothing to pull out those hairs, after being applied exactly as per directions. This worked perfectly with a small amount of pain the first time, and no pain after that. This product is excellent for those who work with this kind of material at the hair salon. However, for those who are not familiar with this, or for those who are first time, this might really be a little though. There was no burning, no ripping, not even any cursing, and it washed off super easily. There was a little redness the next day, but organic aloe lotion helped a lot. For me, waxing lasts about 2 weeks tops, so if this makes it longer than even a week and a half, it's worth the money already. This is the product to have for any woman or man. It makes life so much easier, and the hair stays gone for a long time. This one is so much less painful, especially once you get the hang of it and done it a few times. If your room temperature is a little on the warm side, you won't have to heat this up. Love this product. It is so gentle on the skin, and very easy to clean up. Another great tip to heat is to make sure you are applying a very thin layer to your skin. The thinner the better. Gloopy and thick does not equal success here. So easy to take off, and it came in the mail rather quickly. It's less painful than waxing, and the stuff washes off so easily. This product is great if you have chemical sensitivities, or allergies to chemical products and perfumes. I've tried at-home hard waxing kits. It's painful, messy, and not worth trying again. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.